Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is second of the entire database data science. So today is discover to how to data processing. So uh, data pre-processing. Data pre-processing or data cleaning is a crucial step in data science. It is often the first stage of working with any machine learning model. After gathering the data, we need to perform cleaning because your goal is to train a machine. A machine cannot learn accurately from a raw, unprocessed data, and we cannot apply most algorithm to it effectively. That's why we need to clean the data first. So data pre-processing include firstly index field, misleading field values, re-express categorical field values, standardize numeric field using Python, identify outliers. So today discuss all the topics of data processing include this. So forward to the next topic, index field. How to index field? So means index field is nothing but is the colon or values which help to track the record, uh, uniquely in data set. So example, import pandas as pd. This is the library of Python. Df equal to pd data frame name alias pop curly. This is the nested list, list in list. Adding an index field, df index hyphen field, df dot index, print df. This example is this example this example of index field means how to index field in data science. So uh, today next, how to misleading field values. Misleading values are incorrect or inconsistent data entries that can confuse analysis. For example, male and male meet both appear both appear in a data set to represent the same value, but this inconsistency can cause issues. How to correct it? Correcting misleading field values, df. This is the syntax uh, to to fix the misleading field values. So uh, this is the example. Forward to the next topic, the how to re-express categorical field values. Re-expressing categorical data involves converting non-numeric categories like male and female into numeric values. We convert this data in numeric data because machine learning algorithm can't apply non-numeric data set. So this is the example of re-express categorical field values. uh, so this is the syntax how to re-express rhetorical fields values. So forward to the next topic, standardize a numeric field. Standardize a numeric field. So standardize is something like that, we convert all other units to the standard unit so that machine can understand perfectly and give more accurate output. This is the example how to standardize numeric field. So this is the bay and we can say that this is the example of standardized numeric field. This syntax is used to standardize numeric field. So fifth is identified outliers. Identified outliers. Outliers are data points that differ significantly from the majority of the data. These extreme values can affect the model accuracy, so we need to identify and handle outliers appropriately. We can use a graph to identify outliers easily. Example, identifying outliers with a box plot. This is the command line. Import matplotlib dot pilot splt. This is the this is the dictionary in Python. So second in what is data field, data tables. What is data tables? During an experiment, data is typically collected and organized using data tables with the independent variables. So the left side and the independent variable on the right side with units included. So these are known as data tables. So basic statistics. While data tables are great for organizing data, they are not always easy to interpret, especially when it comes to large data set. This is why we use statistics to help us understand data. There are three basic statistics: mean, median, and mode. This value have to reveal what is typical in a data set. And third is what is calculating mean. What is how to calculating means. Sorry, how to calculating means. So a mean is another word for an average. To determine the average of a set of values, first find the sum of all the numbers, then divide the sum by the total number of values in the set. Example, a plus b plus c divided by 3. Calculating median. How to calculating median? So this a median is the middle value in a set of numbers. To find the median, arrange all of the values in order from lowest to highest, then find the middle value. If there is no single middle number, you can find the average of the two middle numbers. Example, a b c d e, then c is a median of both a b and d e. How to calculating mode? A mode is a value that occurs most often in a data set. To find the mode, simply look up the numbers that is repeated the most. Some data sets do not have a mode, whereas other other have more than one mode. Example like aa bcd. So check where uh, how to check for understanding. A researcher is concluding an experiment on the effect of music on plant growth. She has multiple groups of plants composed of five plants. Each on the seventh day of her experiment, she measures the flowing heights for groups. Group 1 of her plant, 9 in 11 in 9 in 13 inch and 8 inch. Find the mean, median, mode of the data set. So thank you guys.